trick-or-treating for you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell. Yeah, I technically dressed up as like a pumpkin. I'm wearing like all orange. So yeah, we're just gonna go around trick-or-treating in different neighborhoods, and I'll take you guys along with me. So I'm debating if I should go trick-or-treating in my neighborhood first or after. I think I'm gonna go to different neighborhoods outside of my neighborhood. If you know what I mean. Like, I'm gonna go to different neighborhoods first and then come back. I hope that I'll be safe. Make sure you guys are safe out there. And yeah, guys, so right now I'm at the first house, so we'll see what happens. Hey you guys, so I have a couple of candies in here already, so we'll see what happens. Guys, the second house. You guys, this is literally boring going trick-or-treating by yourself. Like, I don't know, I've tried like probably 2 houses so far, and those 2 houses had candy so far. So I'm gonna check a couple houses because right now I'm in my neighborhood, so we're gonna see. Right now I'm at the 3rd house, so we'll see if they have any candy. You guys, it looks like there's not really a lot of houses that are doing the trick-or-treating, and honestly I could relate because my family doesn't really do the whole like trick-or-treat like that, so we just go for the candy. But yeah, I don't know, isn't it creepy? And it leads to the candy. They have like this little scary grave site, and it says like please take 2 pieces, so I'm gonna take 2 Skittles and I'm gonna take a Starburst. Okay guys, so basically tonight was a total fail. Not a lot of houses in my neighborhood had like candy, so I think I'm gonna wrap it up and go home. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell. And yeah, love you guys. Okay you guys, so of course I got a couple of candies. This is what I have. It's not a lot, but it's fine. We shouldn't have a lot of candies anyway, but got a couple lollipops, Kit Kats, Reese's. Yummy yummy.